Hey, what is going on, everyone? Tom here, the consultant. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is having a great trading week. As we kind of prepare for all of the news coming out Wednesday, February 1st. Actually, the very first day of February of 2023. And everyone is on edge with what is going to come from FOMC, this all of that good stuff. Whether or not we are going to whether or not the Fed is going to do a rate hike, or if they are just going to maintain where we are. So let's jump into some analysis. I'm going to do a quick breakdown of BTC, so Bitcoin, ETH, and BNB. I'm going to do a quick analysis on those guys, since they are very, very similar in kind of where they are in price action at the moment. So basically what I got here, we're starting with BTC, Bitcoin, and what I've got here is the Elliot wave. This is one thing that I do use in conjunction with support and resistance. This one's on TradingView. This is just the free Elliot wave that's offered. It works pretty well. I like it. But let's look at some of these levels. So it looks like we finished our fifth leg during Sunday, and then we kind of had this pullback, this pullback leading into the Monday, and then we kind of had this kind of a small rally leading into Tuesday. So this is leg A, B, and we're yet to form leg C. Now the ABC pattern is the correction wave, and this is kind of what we're into right now. So leg A here is confirmed. Okay, that's kind of where we're at. We are currently waiting on whether or not this is going to be leg B. All right. Now this is kind of where kind of everything kind of comes together. So if you look at the supports that I've drawn for Bitcoin here, some of these lines are, so we've basically got the previous high here at what is it, 22.8 something, and then another one here at 20,200, and then another one here is at the top of our first flag, which is roughly about 21,500. So here's the thing: in order to complete the final leg of our correction pattern of our ABC, the final leg of our C pattern here, we actually do need to pull back. Now this kind of goes into whether or not we're going to see this play out on Wednesday afternoon, with the anticipation of what the FOMC, what the Fed is going to do as far as rate hikes. We may see this play out. This is a 4-hour chart, so it's somewhat possible. I mean, we can definitely make a corrective move in that regard. That would be somewhere in the neighborhood of, let's see, is it going to let me do it? No, hold on. There we go. That would be somewhere in the neighborhood of about a 6.5% to 7% correction, if we moved back down to the 21,500 mark. Okay. Now I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but it's possible, right? We could move out of the consolidation zone to go lower. We could actually just move to the bottom of the consolidation zone. That could be our C leg, and move back up and break the 24,000 mark. That's very possible as well. This is just a kind of like a 100% retracement, right here, and then we've got the 168, the 1 and the 1.618. all the way down here, which is also kind of, you know, goes in line with this area right here, this area of consolidation where we saw our first run up out of December into you know, into January. So it's very, very possible. I mean, we've got a couple different scenarios here that can play out. Now if we run over, you know, if we flip over to ETH, you kind of see the same thing again. Here is the 4-hour chart. This right here is just kind of the channel. That's the purple lines here. That's the channel coming, you know, from the beginning of December all the way through. We broke that. We broke up again. Here is our support. You know, ever since we broke this, we've been kind of having a little bit of issue, really kind of getting to that level where we can retest the 1680 level. That's been a little bit of an issue, but as you can see right here, we've got 2 levels of support that are pretty crucial. You know, we've got the 1500 area, and then we've got the 1350 area. I think it's very, very possible, depending on the news that we get back, you know, today, you know, we could see, you know, again, another 5% or 4.5 to 5% correction down to this level, which, you know, if you think about it, this is the first stop for the to finish the correction, the C leg here, and then, you know, if it got even more worse, we would follow all the way down here towards the you know, the 1350. So there's going to be a tremendous amount of buying opportunities. I will be sitting on my hands literally all day Wednesday. It's going to be hard because I really want to. I really wanted to get into stuff, but I'm going to be waiting for that. You know, I've got other positions right now, so that, you know, I would be fine with a rip up and then a retest, but I'm just going to be waiting until to see if we get this pullback. Now, BNB, I said I was going to do this one. BNB is in the same position. These purple lines here, these are the supports that I currently have, and, you know, we've been playing around this 13-18 level, but we've been hugging the, you know, we've been staying above, you know, the 305 level, but you know, it just, price has not been able to maintain 318, let alone really kind of break above it. So again, here, look at this, we are kind of in the same position. We're in that area of, you know, 292. I've been saying it before. I've been saying it here in my previous videos that it's very possible that we can be revisiting this 292 level quite often. This is going to be a big area, a big wide area of consolidation before we either see a move, a push up to finish the first quarter of 2023, or it's going to be a push back down, you know, back down towards the 225 level. So I think these are definitely still these are definitely still possibilities. I'm just thinking in terms of you know, what happens with FOMC and the Fed. You know, it could be that it's good news and we rip up and then we just kind of have this sell-off. Right? These levels are absolutely key for the first quarter. I'm just gonna say it right now. Okay. Yeah, it's just everything with, you know, speculation with Bitcoin and, you know, between the 25,000 to 35,000 level. You know, I think those are going to be, you know, pretty crucial in, you know, how this plays out for the rest of the quarter. So, again, I will be sitting on my hands tomorrow, or I guess Wednesday. I guess it's pretty much midnight, you know, 12:15 Wednesday morning. So I just want to do a quick rundown, quick analysis. This is kind of something that I've been kind of looking at this evening, kind of waiting to see if we start to get a pullback. BNB has started to pull back on the 4-hour chart. ETH is starting to pull back as well, and we are starting. Well, Bitcoin's. Yeah, I have no idea what Bitcoin's doing today. But if you haven't seen FTM, this is kind of a bonus one. What in the world is FTM? Where is FTM going? I mean, this is FTM. I looked over at the chart and I saw, like, holy shit. FTM is sitting here at 54 cents. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, good. This is absolutely awesome for Phantom. I've been a long-time fan of Phantom Network. Love it. I think it's just an absolutely amazing network. There's some great developers on there. So if you're not a part of the Phantom Network, highly suggest it. I'm not saying it's going back to $1. I think it actually will, but you know how these work. It's Phantom is a network token. It's not a shitcoin. So there you go. I don't do shit coins. Even though Doge is on here, I don't do this stuff. But man, look at this, 8.5 cents. 8 cents, all the way. There were some life changes here. I mean, all of this. I mean, this is life-changing stuff right here. 6.5 cents, all the way up to almost 10 cents here. So. I mean, guys, this is going to be, some life-changing stuff this year. So, stay tuned. Yeah, that's really all I got. If you guys are interested in any of the tools, I've got links down in the description. But you can also head on over to my website, theconsultant.trade. I've got a link up here to the tools section. It's quite small right now. There is definitely more to come. But if you're interested in Jigsaw Day Trader trading platform, I've got some pretty decent discounts here, as much as $150 off and as much as 10% off, depending on what it is you want to do. Each of these are a little bit different, and whatever tickles your fancy, I guess. I don't know why I just said that, but but if you're also interested, in how this platform looks and works and stuff, I've got some other videos here as well, for if you're curious and kind of my take for this. So other than that, guys, that's all I got for you. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay decentralized. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.